Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Padmashri from SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore. Today I am going to explain a case study on movie recommendation system using machine learning. Let's move on to the slides. What is the recommendation system? The main goal of the machine learning case study, this case study, is to understand about the recommendation system, you can call it as recommendation engine, that mainly recommends the movies to the movie lovers. Okay, so we all are very much interested in watching different movies in different categories. So this recommendation system is mainly designed for those movie lovers. So it categorizes, like we can say, it classifies the type of movies and it keep track about the user's wish list. So how the system is working, let's have a look into this PPT. Here, the R project is designed to help us to understand the functioning of how the recommendation system work. So here we'll be developing an item-based collaborative filter. We'll just see what is a recommendation system. Recommendation system, it gives us a suggestion to the user by using a filtering process that is mainly based on the user's wish or user's preference, and the data has been collected from the past history, or we can say through the browsing history. So this is called a recommendation system. So here the input to the recommendation system is all about the user browsing data. The information about the user is taken as an input, and the information which is mainly taken as input, that is in the form of browsing data. Okay, so then the information reflects the usage of the product as well as the assigned ratings. Now, how this recommendation system actually works, it is a platform that provides the user various content. Mainly, like if we are searching for the movie, it provides us the many wish lists about the different movies, like based on the preference and liking. So a recommendation system takes information from the user as an input, and we are going to implement this through machine learning algorithm. So this is a pictorial representation of a simple recommendation system project. It is working based on item-based collaborative filtering. That the filtering process has been done based on the items or the wish list generated by the users. Here you can see three different users are there: user 1, user 2 and user 3. All the three users watches different movies, like movie 1, movie 2, movie 3. Say user 1, he is watching movie 1, 2 and 3 also. User 2 wishes only movie 1 and 3, and user 3 is movie 1 and 2. So here the wish list has been generated for the user, in which the user 3 can also recommend to watch the movie 3. So based on his liking or his preference, his state of his interest. So the recommendation system has been developed based on the user's wish. So this is one simple example of how the recommendation system works. Now there are different types of recommendation system. So we'll just see the recommendation system, which also finds the similarity between the products. This we must have experienced while we purchase some items in Amazon, Flipkart, etc. So if we are interested in healthy foods, so if we purchase the healthy food one time, that will be saved in the user's wish list, and every time when we are about to browse something for placing order, so we will be getting the suggestion for different items. So this is one example. It's working. The recommendation system is working based on the similarity between the different product. So, and also we can discuss about the Netflix recommendation system. So it also provides you the recommendation of the movie that you keep on watching, like similar types of movie, like horror movie, romantic movies, etc. So the recommendation has been suggested to the user based on their own likings or wish list, etc. Okay. So a collaborative, there are different types, I said. Two types. One is the content based recommendation system, the other one is the collaborative filtering recommendation system. So collaborative content filtering, it provides with the recommendation. So here we are using in our case study, we are using this collaborative filtering recommendation system. It's just like in respect with the other user who might have a similar viewing history or preference. So this collaborative provides you the recommendation with other users who might have the same viewing history or preference like you. Okay, that is called collaborative filtering recommendation. So this collaborative filtering, it finds similarity in the item based on the people ratings of them. So where this will be helpful for us is we can able to see the comments or what is the suggestions to purchase this product. So many people must have already purchased, and we all know that they must be giving their own suggestions or comments or feedback about the product. So they must be having the same thought about the particular product, like how we think about the product. So that is one thing we can take it for collaborative filtering. This algorithm first builds similar item table of the customer who have purchased into the combination of similar item. Then it is fed, the similar item data is fed into the recommendation system. So this is how the collaborative filtering works. The similarity between the products and the related product can be determined with the following algorithm. So this movie recommendation system, the first main thing is we are going to use a recommendation system, and there are different types. One is content based and the other one is a collaborative. So we are going to use collaborative based because we can just compare with the other wish list or other products, similarity between the other products, and this algorithm will work based on that. So for each item I1 present in the product catalog purchased by the customer, any customer C, for each item I2 is also purchased by the customer C, create a record that the customer purchased the item I1 and as well as I2. So we are going to compare the item I1 and I2, and we are going to find out what is the similarity between these two products, and we are going to come out with the result of that. So calculate the similarity between I1 and I2. So we will build this filtering method. We are going to split the data set into two things. One is a testing set and the other one is training set. So 80% of training set and 20% of the testing set we are going to feed into the machine. So the machine will be trained according to the input that we are going to assign. This is a movie based recommendation system. So here we are considering item 1, item 2. It is a collaborative based thing, right? So here if I take movie 1 and movie 2, so similarity between the movie will be compared, and whichever movie has the more similar. Suppose if you take horror movie, like movie 1, 2, 3, all the three are horror movie. So the recommendation will be sent to the customer for those horror movie. So that is how the content, the collaborative system is working. So the data set required for this case study is to build a recommendation system. We have used movie lens dataset, where we can find many movies dataset like movies.csv and ratings.csv files, etc. We have used in this recommendation system. Almost this data contains these many rating 1,05,339 ratings, and that is applied over 10,329 movies. So the data set we can use this particular data set, and the machine can be trained with the input from the users, and the collaborative method is used to find the similarity between the products or between the movies we can take, and finally the output has been achieved. Whichever product has a more similarity, that recommendation will be sent to the customer. Okay. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.